Hard water affects appliance longevity, reduces cleaning efficacy, and can impact skin and hair. A well-chosen water softening or conditioning solution can extend appliance life, improve soap and detergent performance, and enhance daily comfort. In this comparison, I evaluate 5 consumer-focused options across price, installation, and use case.
List number 1. AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter. The SF100 is a multi-stage inline shower filter designed to reduce chlorine, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, dirt, and odors while potentially infusing minerals and balancing pH. Its primary appeal is skin, hair, and nail health through a proprietary mix, redox media, calcium sulfite, activated carbon, ceramic beads, and vitamin C. It emphasizes easy, tool-free installation and universal compatibility with most shower types, with a claimed daily cost of about 9 cents for cartridge replacements. The filter's materials list suggests an emphasis on chemical reduction and odor control, plus a note on scale control, which may appeal to users concerned about mineral deposition in shower heads and fixtures. Performance-wise, the SF100 family targets chlorine and dissolved organics with a layered media approach. In practice, users often report softer-feeling water and improved hair manageability, especially compared to basic carbon filters. Because the system is a shower-specific device, the evaluation focuses on ease of replacement, no tools required, and compatibility across fixed, rain, dual, and handheld configurations. A potential limitation is that while it reduces chlorine and contaminants, it does not alter total dissolved solids, TDS, or change mineral content system-wide, which means whole house scale concerns remain unaddressed. For households with high chlorine levels or sensitive skin, it offers a meaningful upgrade over standard shower heads without full plumbing changes.
List number 2. AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter reduces the SF100BN variant, mirrors the Chrome SF100 in filtration philosophy, but offers a brushed nickel finish for aesthetic compatibility with certain bathroom fixtures. The core technology remains the same: multi-stage filtration, sediment filters, redox media, calcium sulfite, activated carbon, ceramic beads, and minerals to reduce chlorine, odors, and contaminants while supporting skin and hair health. It is designed for easy, no-tool installation and claims the same daily cost advantage as the Chrome version. Deeper performance assessment shows similar outcomes to the SF100, with the brushed nickel finish being a cosmetic differentiator rather than a functional one. For households seeking a visually cohesive bathroom look without sacrificing filtration performance, this variant is attractive. Since it remains a shower-only device, the limitations align with the Chrome model: no effect on overall water hardness or TDS, and filter life is contingent on incoming water chemistry. Users prioritizing aesthetics and compatibility with metal fixtures may prefer this variant.
List number 3. Verify Water Hardness Test Kit, Water Testing Kit for Home. Verify's test kit offers a budget-friendly, easy-to-read method for quantifying water hardness before sizing a softening system. It covers 0 to 425 ppm, 0 to 25 GPG, with an oversized color chart and fresh seal packaging to extend strip life. The kit includes 150 strips and supports testing across multiple uses: drinking water, wells, pools, dishwashers, and softeners, along with a social impact element tied to clean water initiatives. From a decision-making standpoint, this kit helps quantify your water hardness up front, enabling informed choices about whether a softener, descaler, or other treatment is appropriate. The practical test accuracy depends on user technique and timing, but the color scale is designed for quick interpretation. The fresh seal packaging is a plus for shelf life, though the test is still a consumable product subject to strip sensitivity over time. For households evaluating multiple water sources, well versus city, or considering routinely testing before maintenance, it offers clear value.
List number 4. Vevor RV Water Softener. The Vevor 16,000 grain portable water softener is designed for RV, trailer, and mobile use, featuring a 3/4 inch brass fittings, a 42-inch hose, and a salt-based regeneration cycle. It emphasizes portability and independent operation without electricity, relying on regeneration with salt to restore softness. The unit targets hardness reduction to 0 to 3 GPG and claims up to 2,461 gallons of soft water before regeneration at typical usage, with a compact form factor suitable for travel or off-grid scenarios. In practice, the portable design suits RVers and temporary setups where access to full house water treatment is impractical. The absence of electricity reduces failure points, while the large flow connections help preserve water pressure. Regeneration requires salt handling, which adds ongoing maintenance and salt cost, and the device is limited by its 16,000 grains capacity, which may necessitate more frequent regeneration for households with sustained high usage. For travelers or small-scale needs, it offers a practical balance between performance and portability.
List number 5. WaterBoss Whole House Salt-Free Descaler System. Works with City. The WaterBoss WB-WH-DSCLR is a whole house salt-free descaler intended to reduce scale formation on pipes and fixtures without softening water. It targets moderate hardness, under 15 GPG, and does not remove minerals, TDS, sulfur, or iron. Installation is designed to be straightforward with no backwashing or salt maintenance, and it claims a long service life with minimal ongoing upkeep. The system is positioned as a low-maintenance alternative for households looking to prevent scale buildup. Performance-wise, descalers like this use template-assisted crystallization or similar mechanisms to alter mineral deposition, which can be effective for preventing scale but does not deliver softened water or mineral reduction. The 7 GPM maximum flow supports typical household demand, but with iron levels below 0.3 ppm and pH constraints. Real-world feedback often notes noticeable reductions in scale in appliances and fixtures, though users may still observe mineral scaling in areas with high hardness or high iron. For those seeking a maintenance-free alternative to salt-based softening, this is a compelling option.